Hey guys, this is Pasha from Salesforce, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your Shopify store from start to finish. I know that there are so many different videos on Shopify tutorials, tips and tricks, so I'm going to try to put that all into one place for you right here. So stay till the end of the video to get the most out of it and learn about all the little tricks there are that are going to help you with your Shopify store. Now, I'm not just going to talk at you for the whole video. You're going to look over my shoulder and we're about to get started. So if you need some water or something more caffeinated, then go grab it. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and share my screen with you. Now you should be able to see the Shopify store right here on my screen, where we're gonna go ahead and type in our email address. Okay, so it's just setting up my store. Okay, so here I am on Shopify's landing page. There's a tutorial here called Getting Started. But what I'm going to do first is add my product. So it actually has a checklist here of things that you need to do, so you can see how easy it is. So I'm going to go ahead and add my product. Okay, so this wants you to add media from a URL, but what I'm actually going to do is use an app called Obelow to import my products. So let's take this to obelow.com, and I'm going to put this in the comments, the description below. Join Obelow free. And once you've created your account, it should take you to this page right here. So let's go to dropshipping, start your store, and we can create or connect your Shopify store. So I have called mine the best toilet lighting, and I'm gonna just take that. I don't know why it's abandoning. Whoops. Okay, anyway, install app. So now this is going to install the Obelow app to my Shopify store. Remember I spoke to you earlier about apps? Well, luckily this is a free app. Okay, this gives you the tutorial, but I'm a pro. I'm going to show you how it works. Hey Mary. So what I really want to do is to import my first product. All right. So you can upload when your product changes, update the price, set your quantities to 0 if there's none more left in stock. Great, and save those settings. Okay, so now what do you want to do? You go to your import list and add products by URL or ID. Now, the product that we found earlier was this color toilet seat LED nightlight. And this is the same one with all of the different manufacturers across the world. So I'm going to take this URL and add it to here and go ahead and add my product. There we go. So this is the product that's going to be imported to my store. So it says choose collections homepage. We don't have a collection yet because we haven't built any of our pages yet. So that's something that we're going to do a little later on. So you can choose type. We don't have that either. But here we can add a couple of tags. So I'm going to write toilet light, lighting, and then the same with bathroom, decor, bathroom, lighting, and you'll see why this is important a little later on. These are the keywords that are going to create your lists, basically. So the second thing we want to do is go over to the description. So it has all the specifications here, which is great. But what you might want to do is look at what description is here. Right, so here are some more of the features. We can add that. We can also analyze our competitors' stores. Okay, and here we can see what description they have. So this is interesting. There we go, so it has all the information that you could need about the product right here. And the next thing we're going to do is look at the variants. Okay. So you can see that it has all the different variants from anywhere in the world, which will all be imported to your store. Okay. Now we're going to change all. So earlier we saw how much people were selling the product for. So I would say between 10 to 20 pounds. We can go in between by just going with $14.99. Apply, and then we can do the compare at price. We'll change all. I saw some that were selling at $29.99. There we go. So we're actually selling it at half the price as everybody else. It already has the updated inventory and everything. The only other thing that we can do is shipping. So they've added shipping there themselves. We also have all of the images, so that's perfect. And the last thing to do is import that to my store. Awesome. Great. So here we can add in like a product type. So I'm going to add bathroom lighting as a section. Great. And again, bathroom lighting will also be added as a collection. Oh, I can't do that. Okay, never mind. Right, so we'll go back home. So we've added our products, right? And now we can move on to checkbox number 2, which is customizing your theme. So they've made it really easy. You can just say customize theme. So right now it's debut or debutify, and this is one of the most popular themes to choose from. I'm gonna stick with this theme. I'm just gonna head down to the theme library where you can choose from different themes. They're simple and boundless and venture. So you can choose the perfect theme for your own store. This is quite cute. Express or minimal, I'm guessing, would be great for the bathroom lighting that I'm going for. But I am a huge fan. I am a huge fan of debut, so I'm going to just stay here. And the actions that you can do are these guys, and you can just go ahead and customize your page. Right. So this is where the juicy stuff happens. Now we do need some product images for this. So I'm going to go back onto AliExpress, onto my product. And you can see sales source right here. If you go along the bottom, there's a camera just here. And that will allow me to download all of these images and videos. So I'll download that. I'm going to download these product images, description images, and variant. Right, so image with the text overlay. I guess this is going to be for my store, so I might not want an image here of the product itself. I probably want an image of a bathroom, you know, a fancy, classy bathroom. Something that looks relaxing and something that it almost looks like the idealistic bathroom. So we could try something like this. That's quite cute, right? It is homely and it looks like you might want to get into this bath. You know what? I think we hit the nail on the head right there. I'm going to keep that. And over here, I'm going to write, let's think. We can go to home quotes. Let's go with choose your mood, because I always think of lighting as like a mood setter. So for now, seeing as this is the our only product, I'm going to keep this as our product right here. But as you can see, you could choose any page that you wanted. You could even go to the products page. All products. There we go. So now it will take you to all products. Visit, and obviously it's just our one product. Okay, so I'm going to save this and move on to our next section. Down here will be an image with text. So maybe here I'm going to write something about the mood, and in this image I want a bathroom lighting, because this is our theme. So I actually prefer the other picture, but I think this goes more with our theme, so let's keep it as this. And I'm gonna write set the tone, and here I'm gonna find a quote about how lighting can change your mood. Lighting ideas, so that's not very pushy, right? And again, that can just take us to our products. At some point, if you have blogs and stuff, it could take you to a blog where it can show you how you can use the lighting, but for now we'll just keep it as this. So how have you guys found this so far? I know that it can be a lot, but it's so easy to go through all of this that I hope you guys are catching on really fast and feel like this is something that you can do yourself. So the next thing is we'll do text and columns here. I'm not sure that for us, to be honest, we need this, so you don't have to have everything. I'm going to remove this section. Right. And then we have our featured collections and all of this. So this is usually where like your gallery. So I mean, here I'll probably just do homeware. This is cute. And then I'll, for the others, so I'll select this, and then for the others, I'm going to do lighting. So this is cute. For the last image, I'm going to use that picture that I really like, but haven't been able to use. Whew. Again, okay, I can save this section. This area here is really important. This is where your reviews are going to be. So right here, your testimonials. We don't have any yet, so I'm not going to put any in. But when you have them, this is super important, and I'm going to show you an app that can help with that. Here will be another text with overlay. We can literally just do anything here. Okay, we haven't been able to use this, so let's give it let's let it have a turn here. There we go. And then in this section here, you would just add a little description about it. Now let's go on to the most important part. This is what your website looks like, or my website looks like so far. But now we need to go onto your featured collections. These are all obviously going to end up being my lighting, because that's the only product I have on the store right now. So let's just hit save. Always hit save. And we can exit this, and we want to go on to products, right? This is important. Now we're gonna start to create our collection. So this collection will be bathroom lighting. Okay, bathroom lighting. Okay, so do you remember before I had added tags and I told you they were going to be very important? This is why. So when you import products from now on, you can tag it with something which will add it to one of your collections. And I'll show you how that is done. Okay, we did use, okay, we go, perfect. So my product has all of these. So I'm gonna go with bathroom lighting. So now any product that I tag with bathroom lighting will be added to this collection, and I can save this. And then go back to my collections. Great. So you can see here, yeah, that this product is in this collection now. Awesome. So back to my online store. You go all the way down to navigation, across to main menu. I don't know what this guy's doing there. Let's remove that. And we're going to want to add your collection. Okay, and then this is where all of the tags come in. Remember the tags that I said were so important before? Okay. So go to collections, and you saw that we started our collection before. So bathroom lighting. Now this is going to be my bathroom lighting page, and now it will appear on the main menu. Then we're going to add in our tags. So again, this will mean that anything that I've tagged a product with will appear on this page. So let's go with bathroom lighting. Okay, because that's what I tagged my other product with, and what I'll tag all future bathroom lighting with. And I will add that to my page. Yay. Okay, so I'm going to move this up. That will look better. And save that as a menu. And now what's going to happen when I go back to customizing my store, I'm going to go up here. This is where you can choose your page that you want to edit. And I'm going to want to do collection pages, of course. Yeah, so that's just basically my bathroom lighting. Right, so what will happen is that every single product in my collection will come up here, and people will just be able to tap on it, and then they'll head over to the product. I know I have a typo right here. I'm going to sort that out on the collection page itself. On my header, I can select an image. I might want a banner. Can I do that? No. So let's get some lighting. No, okay. I don't actually want this. You can put, if you guys have created your own logo, for example, you can put that there. So just for fun, I'll show you this. My library. Okay, well, we have the Salesforce logo, so maybe we can just add that in. So if I wanted to add my logo on here, this is where I would add it, and I can save that. And that should be the same for every page. So if I go back to my home page, yep, I still have my Salesforce logo. Okay, so this is perfect. I have my home page, I have my bathroom page, my lighting page, and I have my catalog page. which has all my products, but right now that's just one. And the last thing I will want to add is a contact page if you want customers to be able to email you and all of that. So again, let's go on to my pages. Navigation, main menu, and add my item menu, and here it should be so let's just add a new page. Okay, no, we don't want any of these. So what we'll have to do is go on to pages, add a page, page contact. Yeah, so that should be contact us. Now that doesn't really need a description or anything like that because you only are going to use this for people who visit your website. So then I should be able to go back to navigation, main menu, add a menu item. There we go. Contact us. Awesome. Save. Always remember to save. And we can go back to the online store, customize it. Sometimes it just takes a moment. Right, contact. Because it looks more professional. So things that we want to make sure are working are, if we go to bathroom lighting, for example, we have everything here. So we have our checkout page. You can choose where it ships from, which is awesome. But we need to make sure that when you buy it now, it's going to the correct place. Because right now I'm guessing, where does it go? It doesn't really go any, oh it does. So we have all of this. And then to go to the rest of your settings, you can go to, save that. And then visit the admin. And this is where you can put everything like, you're asking for all the customers' contacts and everything here. We don't really need anyone to tip us. Order processing, so you're going to use their shipping address as default, but it will also ask them. Awesome, so now we have everything here. Your checkout should be set up. Let's just see if there's anything else to do here at checkout. What you really want to make sure that you have right. Great, so you can pay by PayPal. And you can also pay by credit card. So now I feel safe in the knowledge that that's all set up properly. Right, so the rest of the settings you're going to want to look at are your metadata. So this you will need for your SEO. If you go onto your online store and you go down to preferences, this is really important. You can change your title and metadata description right here. So here I'm gonna write best lighting for your bathroom because I'm specifically doing bathroom lighting. And then here you can type in anything that you think would work for bathroom lighting. So the best thing to do is actually go onto bathroom lighting on Google and have a look at what other people have written and what's getting them so highly ranked on Google. So let's take this. We'll take a few and then we'll just jig the words around. Right, and then if you scroll down, you'll see that if you are using Google Analytics, which you probably will in future, you can put your code in here. And if you're going to use the Facebook pixel for your Facebook ads, which you will want to do, and I'm going to show you in the marketing section of a video, then you can set that up right here. So that is under your online store and then under preferences. You can also check customer privacy here, and a lot of other things that could be very useful. So definitely just have a play around and check that out. The last thing I want to show you whilst we're here on your store is the orders that you can collect. So every time someone makes an order, you'll see that here. You'll also see abandoned checkouts. And so you'll see how far people get before they abandon the checkout, which is very useful information. And then the other thing that you will want to do is collect customers' email addresses as they check out. So here we'll have customers, right? So you've got my details whilst I was going through the checkout process, and you can then collect those emails and retarget those customers with email marketing, which I'm going to show you in the marketing section of this video or another video if you're watching this on YouTube. And here we'll be able to look at the analytics as you start to make sales with your store. So you can kind of just keep on track of everything right here on Shopify. Okay, now we have created the store, I want us to take a look at it. Of course, the last and not least thing that I would mention is going across. Of course, you've got marketing here that can help, discounts, which will appear on your landing page as people enter your site. You can call that, your spring sale, and that can be 10%. There we go. There we go. So you can send that discount code out. You can use that for your marketing campaigns, and you can use that for your landing page as people enter your sites. But more importantly, we are going to look at apps, and I'm not going to go through them all with you because there are so many, but let's just visit the Shopify App Store together for a sec. Some really, really useful apps will be ones like your currency converter, which will change the currency depending on where your customer is in the world, so that they can see the price in their own currency, not in dollars if they're in the UK, or not in, I don't know, rupees if they're in America, because that can tend to make your website look a little bit cheap. And the second thing will be reviews. Loox is a great app to help you with your reviews because it builds trust and drives referrals, but you'll also be able to import reviews from AliExpress. So say this is your product, and say your product has reviews, like the seller has a 95.8% positive feedback. So you'll be able to import some of these reviews to your store before you have any of your own. And that's it. That is your store completely set up. I hope you enjoy this video, and stay tuned for our next part, which is going to be how to market your product. Thank you so much for watching this, and I will see you at the next one.